Hello friends, welcome back to the new video friends. Today guys we are going to talk about Tecno phone setting guys. In this video friends I will show you guys how can you power off your Tecno mobile. Friends, you want to power off your Tecno phone, so guys, how can you power off? In this video friends I am going to show you guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video friends. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to guys power off? So you will have to press on guys your power off volume button guys, press on button, and friends you can see power off. So I tap here, then guys scroll like that, then guys you can see your phone will power off guys, like that. So we will wait here, so I am going to pause video guys, it will take time. So I we will again guys press on guys power off button guys, press on guys your power off button, and guys you can see Tecno powered by Android. So I am going to pause video guys because it will take guys for 40 and 30 seconds. So once now we will unlock our phone. So as you can see guys, your phone has power off. So like that guys, you can power off guys your Tecno phone in your Tecno mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video. Bye friends.